All right, what do we got here? So the plaintiff is suing the defendant because they did not pay their half of the rent. Is this correct? Yes, Your Honor. Fuck you. Huh. Can you give me a little bit more information on what happened? Yeah, so my ex-best friend and I decided to move in together a few months ago and split the rent, but she never paid her half. Okay, this next question's for the defendant. Is it true that you're not paying your rent? Okay, yes, but I had just lost my job and she said, I don't want to hear it. Let's go back to the plaintiff. Is there any sort of document or contract that both parties signed that would have made her responsible for rent? Absolutely. She made a pinky promise. I'm sorry, she did what? Yeah, she pinky promised me that she would pay her half of the rent and she deceived me. You see, there was no legitimate contract and no, I don't want to hear anything from you. Anybody that breaks a pinky promise just landed themselves a life in prison. Wait, come on now. This is binding, so don't mess with me. Somebody bring me my gavel. It's true.